Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I got a quick video on the unboxing of my quick performance Posi rear end kit. I ordered it online. I'm gonna go through the kit and show you everything that came in it, and then talk about some of the extra things that I bought for it. What I wanted to do with this is just a total rebuild of the Ford 8-inch rear end. Mine was an open differential with highway gears in it. I don't even know what it was. I know they were pretty high, and I just wanted to go to 355 and put a Posi in it, along with replace every bearing in it. So let's go through the unboxing. So this is the box that came in. It was well packed, obviously. So starting off, these are my axle bearings and seals. One thing I didn't realize that the kit was not coming with was the paper seals for the axles, but I went ahead and purchased those. These are the locks, and then the seals, and then the bearings themselves. Put all these back. Alright, for this kit, it comes with the standard paper seal. I didn't want to go through with that. I went ahead and bought the lube locker. This way it works for multiple oil changes in the rear end, and I have never used one before, but a lot of people give it good reviews, so I went ahead and purchased that. I believe that was $20 extra. Here is the total nuts and bolt kit for the rear end rebuild. You get a new nut. I ordered, because I did go with the Posi, I ordered the 10 inch and a quarter bolts that go around and lock the ring gear into the pinion. And then obviously these are the two bearings for the housing, and then you got the two for the pinion. Actually, looking for the smaller one. The smaller one's down underneath there. I also ordered extra a new locking for the pinion. I didn't know how that one would come out, and I figured, you know, shoot, it's pretty damn old. So I went ahead and purchased a new one. My other one came out perfectly, so I don't know if I should have spent that money, but hey, I just, you know, I wanted it all new. Didn't want to have to worry about nothing. See, it comes with the shims, it comes with the O-ring. It's all ready to go. So here is my new Posi. Sucker's heavy, but anyways, well packaged. Hopefully, the reviews I've seen on it, no issues, up to like 450 horsepower, if I believe I'm correct on that. But I'm sure somebody will correct me if not. But anyways, that's all there, and then put that back together. Then lastly is the ring and pinion. Here, let me switch this. Set that right there for a minute. Now here's the ring and pinion. Obviously this was in the styrofoam. Didn't really make it too well in the styrofoam, but There's no nicks or nothing broke on it. So this is a 355 ring and pinion, and the pinion is still in the styrofoam. I don't want to take it all apart, but anyways, it's in there. Styrofoam is busted up. But that was everything. Like I said, I had to order the paper seals for the axle housing. I guess they basically, they don't seal it, but they're basically keep the dust out of it, where it ties into the flange on your axles and your drum brakes. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about the kit, and like I said, I'm gonna be putting it back together. I've really never done lead on one. I've assisted in one, and I don't think it's gonna be too difficult, but we'll get through it. And like I said, if you get any questions, please feel free to give me a call, or not a call, but just message me on the on YouTube, and leave a comment. Thank you for your for watching. Please like and subscribe.